guys, welcome back to Tami in the kitchen. Today I'll be making you guys crock pot macaroni and cheese. The ingredients that you will need is evaporated milk, 12-ounce can, regular milk, a cup and a half a stick of butter, melted, 5 cups of cheese, cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and paprika, and macaroni, 8 ounces. First step, take your pan and spray your crock pot so it doesn't stick. Take your 8-ounce macaroni, your melted butter, half a stick, your cup and a half of regular milk, evaporated milk, your 2 eggs. You need to whisk them before you add them. Salt, a couple dashes, pepper, and what you're going to want to do is use about 4 cups of the cheese. And save that, the last cup, for the topping. Mix it around. Once it's all blended, add the rest of the cheese on the top. Take your paprika, sprinkle it on top. Put your lid on, and you're gonna cook that on low for 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, my macaroni and cheese is done. It's been 3 hours and 15 minutes, if you'd like to take a look. Looks good. It's creamy and delicious. Stay tuned for my smoked ribs video. It's up next. If you like the way I made my crock pot macaroni and cheese, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.